Even as they celebrate the latest peace, Israelis are suspicious of whether the Palestinian peace will work. It's exactly a week since a radical Palestinian opposed to the peace killed more than 20 people in a suicide bus bombing in the heart of Tel Aviv. The Palestinians feel shut out. Demonstrable.
It is like black hole in the space. It can swallow all what we did during this protest.
Strikes were held throughout East Jerusalem, the West Bank and Gaza. The uncertainty surrounding the accord with the Palestinians reflects growing divisions within Israel about that peace. There are no such doubts about the peace signed with Jordan. Israelis are united behind it. Cheryl Kessel, CNN, Tel Aviv.
A hijacking has been underway about 24 hours now in southern Russia. It's still underway. Authorities say a man acting alone commandeered this plane heading to the city of Rostov. He ordered it back to the city of Makhachkala and demanded $2.3 million. He got it and released all the passengers and crew members except the captain. The local radio station says the hijacker now wants $2 million more. Three black South African men will spend 18 years in prison for the murder of a U.S. woman. A judge ruled today the victim was killed only because she was white. Amy Williams did not. The judge in the O.J. Simpson case today refused to limit the witnesses each side in a jury to determine whether DNA test results, in general, are reliable enough to use. Argued the hearing could drag on for a week if expert testimony isn't curtailed. After that question was settled, the parties returned to the painstaking task of the jury. Of the first 5 people questioned today were dismissed, 3 for exposure to the media.
Unfortunately,
we walk into rooms, we go in the street, a television is on, somebody has the radio on, and those people are being disqualified from this jury.
Judge Blanchino says he hopes to finish this thing with jury selection by
Hi, let's tell a story about letters.
Kentucky has ordered an investigation of the estimated shooting death of a black man by a white police officer. The incident set off a race riot, leaving 9 people injured. He was shot in the head. Police say it was an accident. Migration talks between the U.S. and Cuba are expected to wrap up today in Havana, which said the U.S. has agreed to provide a minimum of 20 immigrant visas a year to Cuba. Cuba has complained the U.S. is dragging its feet in accepting immigrants. In Miami, the judge will consider whether to extend a ban on sending Cuban refugees back to their homeland. Election. Governor Pete Wilson says all legal residents may now be required to carry identification cards if voters pass Proposition 187, which would deny illegal immigrants certain social services. And the government reports some illegal residents are worried.
These children have dreams. Dreams of becoming firefighters, teachers, even doctors. But some believe Carla Gonzalez and others like her should not be allowed to pursue their 7 is all about. Denying education and some medical services to those who come here illegally.
we cannot afford to educate, medicate, and incarcerate the entire world's population. We just can't do it.
It's been estimated that as many as 300 to 400,000 students in the state entered California illegally. Teachers at Diamond Elementary School in Santa Ana believe some, probably many of their children did, so we do not show their faces. The principal says she knows there are illegals here, and she doesn't care. First of all, on the issue, there's doctors too. Doctors who believe in the importance of controlling U.S. borders, but who also believe that denying medical services would be cost the state and costed billions in federal funding, and we can that violates federal privacy guidelines. Well, at least, says supporters, it'll make the illegal immigrants go home. It didn't work that way for Armando Cardenas and his family. They are now legal, but years ago when they were not, the authorities ordered them deported.
Rights to the country. Unfortunately, we did it. We smoked in our homes.
Some think Prop 187 is a racist policy aimed at Hispanics. Its supporters say it's not. But one school official asked, how do you ferret out those who are here illegally? If voters do support Prop 187, she doesn't know what she'll do. She doesn't know what her daughter will do. But in the meantime, these children will keep on
The team of the U.S. Senate televised today and tomorrow. The reason polls show the Massachusetts Senator Howard on this Monday. The two had a heated debate last night. Massachusetts papers called the debate a draw, saying both candidates held their own. A study released Seattle area. The Journal of the National Cancer Institute will publish a study next week. Another study suggests medical textbooks are biased against women. Today's Journal of the American Medical Association reports on a study used in medical schools that covers body illustrations found men are shown 44% of the time in anatomy textbooks, 21% for women. The rest were sex neutral. The margin was much closer, though, in books on physical diagnosis. Medical students and researchers disagree about whether the number of pictures is
I think that maybe we'll talk about it tonight. What's going on, but now that it's being brought up, I
don't think it's a big issue, and even if there are more males than females in the textbook, I mean, we still know the book of the female pictures in where it matters.
A female student